I chose to do a sort of word scramble game, but with memes, because I felt like it was sort of the end of the year, it's just, why not just have fun with going over all the internet stuff. So for my home screen, I have this just, these are my view controllers. I have about 6 view controllers here with just some space theme. When we run the app here, it opens up to the home page here, and I have this just sort of format, just kind of random memes and nice background. And then here I embedded a navigation controller so that the user can go back and forth in between levels. Looking at the way it's run, we're able to move the letters in order to think better and help the user find the meme. Here we have the hint button, which displays a hint when tapped. Owns a restaurant in Dubai. The person will enter what they think the answer is. If it displays incorrect, and then an image. If it's right, the right image pops up and you can move on. Looking at the code, my basic code was just looking at this view controller. I connected this image view, the background image view. I had the labels, the buttons, text fields, the basics. Those worked well. What also worked were the conditional statements. Here I have if salt text field, which is this text field, and, so the use of the operator and allows us to work 2 text fields at once, and bay text field dot text equals bay, then display correct in the correct label, and the image changes to the designated image. Here I also have first hint button. When tapped, displays the hint. One big issue that I had during the app was getting the letters to move around. At first, I experimented with the labels, but I found that we were unable to connect pan gestures. And then after some work in class, we figured out that what I did was I connected a view. I had a UI view with a label over it, so that here, for example here, the letter L view, I have a pan gesture that is connected to the view, and so when the view moves, the label moves with it. Here's an example. IB function letter T moved, UI pan gesture, and here we're naming a constant that the location of the view is inside the total view, and that we're just telling the view where to go, so that when the user moves the view, they move the label as well. And that's just taking a final look. We can go here. And that is my app.